Issue. Future mfana shit. Iphethe cyborg.
Future mfana.
Issue.
Future mfana, akekho mfana ofana nami. Future mfana like the sun, ubashaya bonke ekhanda. Thanda umncintiswano, angithanda impikiswano. Thanda amazwi ofaka imali. Future mfana ichemical. Bathi animal, I'm going in and getting money. Store of man in shower sell, mkhanyisela, mali kuphela.
Well, knowing label, I haven't seen the film and I've been wanting to wait until the final product is done. But knowing label, I know it's going to be something really edgy, something special, something musical, obviously, but also something that really captures the soul of who we are in Africa right now and where we're going.
I think, you know, especially in South Africa, it's blowing up in the same ways that it's blowing up all over the world. But I think what we have is, you know, that whole electronic mbatkanga is beautiful. It's so... It speaks to a South African story that electronic music in general doesn't.
There was kind of two sides to it, and a lot of it was based on Spook's journey as a musician, someone who had been in South Africa for a while, traveled, and then gained perspective on his travels, on how, just kind of how celebrated and our sound was internationally, but there just wasn't kind of a lot of clarity on who those people are making those sounds, where they come from, where they make that music from. So in a lot of ways it was just breaking down kind of this veil of like mystery around the electronic music scene in South Africa.
Every day, stock fell, grand day, whole cash every day, saving up for heavy days, expensive with the taste, sometimes I entertain, tangy champagne, bang busy tailor.
The movie's got an interesting story behind it. Also, the people who are trying to tell it are on a quest. So, for me, all I get is the guy trying to find ways to, like Spook Matambo summed it up at the end, that he hopes people may come together and create this big future electric sound, I guess, electro sound.
It's about creating an experience around film that's interesting and different and fun.
Now, this is my first time, you know, at an outdoor screening, and I'm really excited about it. I mean, in Johannesburg, at the top of the world here, so it's really exciting.
Future mfana shit. Iphethe cyborg.